I wanted to share this beautiful view that I have. And the morning light is just amazing. The sketch isn't so important. It's actually not very good. It's really just me having a moment to myself in the quiet, and then just trying to sketch these birds as I see them. I'm usually one who erases and I just don't freehand sketch very well. I'm always correcting myself. But here I just wanted to go through the motions of expressive drawing while I watch the birds outside. And I left some of the sound because you can kind of hear the birds in the background. So I'm going to stop talking for a minute and let you just enjoy the birds. We have cactus wrens and doves and of course little regular sparrows, and there's orioles and so many different kinds of birds that pop into our yard. And we've set up a little oasis, bird feeders, hummingbird feeders, a little tiny kind of fountain with a little pool of water for the bees and the birds. So it's a sweet little spot. This might be my new favorite place to draw, to sketch. Morning sketches, watching the birds. Nice, beautiful sun, beautiful view. The little birds landing, watching them eat and drink from the fountain. The bees, the birds. I think it's important that we remember just to enjoy nature, take a few moments for ourselves to think, relax, meditate, walk in nature. As an artist, I'm inspired by just driving to and from the store sometimes, looking at the mountains around where we live, looking at the the trees when the wind's blowing, just the sky, the clouds. There's so much inspiration out there, but we've got to be willing to be open to it. And these are moments when, like this view out this window, when there's such a connection, a deeper connection. And I believe that anytime we can take notice of that connection and really just be quiet and listen, it expands our creative abilities and definitely inspires us. So that's what this video is about, is just remembering to embrace the connection we have to all things and to each other, and just be inspired. Thank you for watching and letting me share a little bit of my desert paradise with you. And I hope that I've given you something to make your day brighter and more inspired. I appreciate you coming along to check this out. And I hope you have a lovely, lovely rest of your day. Thank you.